breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now, I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times, you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then, I found HaierTAB. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
HaierTAB has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
HaierTAB has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the HaierTAB app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but HaierTAB has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. HaierTAB really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but HaierTAB is an online company that is part of the Haier Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use HaierTAB over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.
With a new generation 120,000 rod per minute brushless motor and an 8-cone cyclone dust separator to prevent filter clogging. Cleaning has never felt this powerful. The mighty Next V all-purpose roller brush. Never let Tangle hair get in the way again. Easily clean your floor and carpets. Dual-purpose brush for greater convenience. With two-way sterilization and a dual filter system with 6 filtration layers, eliminate all traces of germs and dust. Thinking of mopping the floor? Simply snap on the magnetic mop attachment. The Roidmi X30 comes with different accessories. You can even treat your pet to a quick spa. Empty the larger dust cup with a single touch. Dock the Roidmi X30 to start charging. One charge will power the Roidmi X30 for 70 minutes. This is the Roidmi X30, the next generation of wireless vacuum cleaners.